Oh, say goodbye to the clutter of those tangled cords and hello to the ultimate convenience with this all in one power solution. This power strip tower is your go to for charging and powering up to 20 devices simultaneously. With these 16 AC outlets, two USB A ports, and two USB C ports, this powerhouse keeps all your gadgets ready to go. Whether it's your laptop, phone, tablet, gaming console, or all your home office devices, this tower has you covered. Safety first, this tower is equipped with superior protection, overload, short circuit, and overcurrent safeguards, plus a reliable on-off switch that shuts off automatically during voltage spikes. Even in thunderstorms, rest easy knowing your devices are in good hands. The 10-foot extension cord with its ultra slim 0.35-inch flat plug design makes this tower a space-saving champion. Slide it in effortlessly behind beds, sofas, or desks for a clean, seamless setup. And here's the best part. Connect your USB-C devices for super fast charging, way quicker than those standard chargers. Perfect for when you're in a rush and need that battery boost. Whether you're setting up your home office, keeping your dorm organized, or powering all your gadgets at once, this power strip tower handles it all with ease. Upgrade your space and power smarter with the ultimate power strip tower. These are such a sleek design. For me in my small home as a busy content creator, I can keep all my devices charged and ready to go at any time. This has been such a benefit for me. Instead of chasing down power banks left and right and things I need to keep going, this tower has me completely charged all the time. From selfie lights to my tablets for editing, you name it, this does it all. This is one of those products that I definitely highly recommend, and it is a 5 out of 5 stars for me. Whether you're looking for yourself to declutter all those cords, or you want a space-saving solution that offers you fast charging and multiple different USB charging types, this is the one. If you're a content creator, vlogger, any of that, this is a must-have. It can literally take all your cords at once and still perform.